So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this awesome birthday card. You can also write your name in the balloons. So here is the list of material you will need to make it. So let's get started. So I am giving the link of description for this happy birthday card. You can print it on a simple paper, or you can do it with quilling, or you can paint it. So we will start with the body of the teddy bear. So you have to make total 2 big coils, one for head and one for body. You can see the details of diameter and strips on the screen. Secure the end. And you can make the other big coil similarly. So now we will start with ear of the bear. Loose the coil and secure the end, and you can give it a dome like shape or a semicircle shape as shown. You can make the second ear similarly. It will look like this after completing. Now we will start with the leg. You will need total 3 strips of paper, 2 skin and 1 brown. Secure the end. And pinch it like this to give it a oval shape. Make the other leg similarly. So now we will make the hands. Loose the coil and secure the end. And now you can pinch it like this to give it a proper shape. Make the another hand similarly. Now for the mouth, I have made a skin color coil like this, and now I will give it a shape by pinching it. So now we will make the balloons. You can make the balloons according to the name which you will be writing on the balloons. More the initials of the name, more the balloons will be needed. So now we will take the strips of the coil one side and we will stick it like this. Apply the glue in the end. Let it dry for some time and you can make the other balloon similarly. So now we will stick all the parts in the card. We will start with the body. Stick all the parts similarly. So here you can see how I stick the balloons on the paper. So for the strings of the balloon, I have joined total 2 to 3 strips of black paper, and you can see how I am attaching it to the paper. So first we will measure the distance from hand to the balloon, then we will cut it and then we will glue it like this. Complete the other strings similarly. So it will look like this after completing. So now we will attach the googly eyes. So now you can draw the face of the bear, and you can also attach the initials of the name you have to write on the balloon. You can print the initials or you can draw it. So it will look like this after completing. So guys, here is the end of our video. If you like my idea, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos, and thank you for watching.